Good morning to all. Chapter 2. Last time we had completed two topics, that is taste of carbohydrate and taste of protein. A taste of carbohydrate, we have to take a food item like roti or bread and put the solution on the certain part of the bread of roti. Which solution? Iodine. Okay, tincture iodine we can put. So particularly that parts converted into the blue blackish color, which we have to put the drops on the piece of roti or a bread. That part converted into the blue black color, it shows the carbohydrate is present in the food item. And in the protein, we have to take any pulses powder like green peas powder or a chana powder, and we have to add the solution of caustic soda and solution of CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, and we can take this powder into the test tube and shake it very well. After that, it converted into the violet or a purple color, it can be shows the presence of protein in this pulses item. Now today taste for fat is third nutrient. Okay, and all oily substance like oil, ghee, paneer, butter, cheese, okay, and the item is prepared from the oil, they all are contained fat. Okay, cashew nut, almond, groundnuts, these all are contained fat. When we have to make the powder of groundnut, mungfali or cashew nut or almond in the mixture, and that powder we have to wrap into the paper, piece of paper. Okay, the oil is released from the groundnut or almond, it can be stick on the surface of the paper. It shows fat is present in the food item. Okay, so what we have to take over here? Take a small quantity of food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Okay, take a care. Crush it means when you have to take a paste of any food item, you have to crush it in the paper. Thus, take care that paper does not tear. Okay, when you have to crush the food item in the paper, paper patna nahi chahiye, it cannot be tear. Now, straighten the paper and observe it carefully. After that, when you have to see the outer surface of the paper, okay, it's observe the what we have to observe on the outer surface of the paper? Oil. Okay, because oil is absorbed by the paper. Observe means हमने क्या देखा और absorb means सब किया. Okay, oil को सब किया. So observe it carefully. Does it have any oily patches? Yeah, we have to see the oil is released on the paper. Patches means dot of the oil. Hold the paper against light. Are you able to see the light finally through this patch? No. Oily paper में से हम light को देखेंगे. Okay, so we cannot able to see the object because oil is absorbed in the paper, and after that paper we have to see. It cannot be seen. And oily patches on paper shows that the food item contains fat. The food item may sometimes contain a little water. Pay your attention. The food items may sometimes contain a little water. Therefore, after you have rubbed an item on paper, let the paper dry for some times. Okay, when we have to wrap any food item, okay, in the paper, after some times when it's short, it can be, what is there? It can be, see the water droplets on the surface of the paper. So, it contains little water. The food item may sometimes contain a little water. Okay, your mother is preparing a food and after cover the container with plate. So, when it's open, we have to see a water droplets on the surface of the plate. Okay, so sometimes we have to wrap any food item in the paper. Maybe वो जो आइटम है वो गर्म है तो उसका पानी बनता है, वाटर बनता है, या जो वेजिटेबल रैप किए हैं या कोई ऑयल तो वो वाटर रिलीज करता है क्योंकि पेपर वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. ओके, एंड इफ द वाटर इज एनी दैट मे हैव कम फ्रॉम फूड. ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर डज दिस वाटर कम? इट कम्स फ्रॉम फूड. It would be drier after some time if no oily patches shows up after this. The food item does not contain any fat. Like if we have to wrap the spinach, okay, or any vegetable in the paper. So the water is present in the leaf of spinach or ladyfinger or any another vegetable, cabbage or cauliflower, brinjal. Okay. But little bit water is there in this vegetable, okay, because it's absorbs the water from the soil, okay, and this is released in a form of water. So ये water जो absorb किया था वो leaf के थ्रू पेपर के अंदर रिलीज होता है. समटाइम्स मार्केट में से हम वेजिटेबल्स लाते हैं और घर लाके वो बिगड़ नहीं जाए इसीलिए हम फ्रीज में रखते हैं तो मम्मी पेपर में उसको रैप करती है. बट फ्रीज के अंदर कूलिंग की वजह से समटाइम्स वी हैव टू सी अ वाटर ऑन द पेपर. तो अगर पेपर थोड़ी देर के बाद ड्राई हो जाता है तो दिस ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स डू नॉट कंटेन फैट.